In this tutorial, we'll explore how to find your recently watched videos on TikTok. The process is straightforward and applies to both Android and iPhone users. Begin by opening your TikTok app. Once it's open, locate the profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down to find Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Within the settings, navigate to Activity Center and tap on it. Next, tap on Watch History at the top. Here, you'll find a list of all the videos you've recently watched. By following these steps, you'll easily locate your recently watched videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share before you leave. Thank you.